So tell us your problems. Was it your mom or your dad that started it all?
I don't want to talk about it. It's just so simple.
Who touched you?
It was African.
Don't lie, we all know it was Mike.
You did what? Oh, God.
Do it again, Mike. Do it again.
I don't know if I was sleeping or not.
Gotta show us how you did it.
No.
Kyle likes it though.
Shut the... Man, you guys are gay jokes, dude.
It's not a gay joke, bro.
Dude, it's a gay joke.
You know it's a gay joke?
What's a gay joke?
You.
Come on, kids, it'll happen. It's big. Hey, it's 15 right, dude. Come on now. Can you tell me something that fucking... You understand by yourself?
I just don't know, but I heard that
I did make it up by myself.
Today.
I did make that up.
What?
Rubbed your face.
Oh, dude, you did, huh?
I did.
Oh, yeah, mm-hmm.
Ask anybody who came up with that.
Ask anybody who came up with that, and they're going to say Mike Tepper. No, they're going to say John Tepper. Now they're going to say, oh, I'm gay. My name's John.
Nutty. Wow. You think that day ever comes? And those two got back together?
Who?
His butt cheek?
Oh, no, don't go so funny.
So I heard they beat your ass last night. Kyle, they beat your ass last night again? Huh?
I'm not in the mood for this shit.
What, my nuts? What are you in the mood for? Some lovin'?
Arby's.
Arby's? Good wood food.
Good wood food.
Good wood food.
Good wood.
Wood?
Hey, that's a real restaurant, dude.
What is?
I know,
Good wood. That's your mom, dude. Fuck off.
Have you ever ate there?
Yeah, I used to not need a fucking chef.
She loves the good wood. Hickory style.